Let's looking for that one. Okay, that one is so here this is the triangle, and A and B is fixed. This is all fixed. So from our drawing part is how we're drawing that one, right? For the triangle A and B and C, so triangle is fixed. Now we have draw this one, right? So first we draw this one. It's also fixed. Then based on this one, we draw the other one fixed. So his question asks R and this is small r, this is big R. So first we put them together, right? So for the tangent question, what do? We just put all the tangent point together, right? Basically from center to point, center to point, like this, whatever, right? So be careful, right? So we also know tangent, we should learn a lot of things here, tangent. If you do the tangent question, always center to the tangent point. This is one thing. Also the tricky one, this is also very important shape. For this one, yeah, let's mention here. This one for here, yeah, for this two tangent, if they're linking these two tangent together, this triangle, it will be equilateral, not equilateral, it's like isosceles triangle, and this two is same. This is very important, okay? But this question might not use that, right? So for this we know this one linking together, this will be R, this will be small r. The question asks you, the question is looking for R divided by R using the A and B to represent, right? R and R, right? So here there's a quicker way, very quicker way. So this guy designed for that question, right? So you see here, this shape is like that, right? This shape is like this shape. So we're also training, we are mentioning many times, this shape is this right hand. This shape, we're not looking for that kind of shape, we're looking for this kind of shape, right? Yeah, once you have this kind of shape, you will find, yeah, this angle actually same as this angle, right? For this angle, we know A and B relationship, right? Because this angle is already determined by A and B, right? So here we have this one, we know here this side, right? We know this side is what? This side is R minus R, right? Or this side R plus R, right? Yeah, now we have one line equation, say R plus R divided by R minus R, right? Let's reverse, easy. Let's reverse, easy. So R minus R, right? At the same time, we know the triangle using for that one, so this one, right? If you use similarity, this one, if it's similar, so this triangle actually similar, let's x, y be similar, right? If you write similar. So if it's similar, you can equal to that one. Similar to what? This one similar, this one similar to that one, right? So we have this is R plus B, this similar to A. And this similar to half B, so half B. Actually, this is all what? If this is alpha, this is all sine alpha. So if we use trigger, it's very easy to prove that. So you write either, you don't need to say these three things is similar. Why similar? Because this angle, because they're right angle, and then you gotta prove this right angle, this is parallel, this two is parallel, and this angle equal to the angle. That's two angles similar, then this this triangle and this triangle is similar. So you don't need that. So So you just direct from sine. It's just sine. Actually, everything is sine. You don't need to like do that things, right? So from here, this is very tricky part, smart part. Why he didn't looking for r plus? What are we looking for? We're looking for r plus r, right? Here, he didn't looking for r divided by r, but from this equation, if you solve that one, it's very easy. You can get the answer. So that's smart part, right? So once you solve this one and you realize, oh, this one we can quickly get this one. That's important. Yeah, let's quickly solve this one. So 2 above 2, B2 go up, B go here, so this is BR, right? BR minus BR will equal to 2AR plus 2AR. This mouse is not that good. 2AR, right? So then merge the AR. What happened? What happened is 2A minus B, right? Yeah. And here, oh, wait, we write the reverse. Sorry. Write reverse. This is bigger, this is bigger, this is small. So A should be half B here. This is the wrong one. This should be A. Then we write all wrong here. So A, so it should be like 2, go down 2A, so 2AR and minus 2AR will equal to half B, right? BR and BR, right? Yeah, now we see here, R here. Now it's 2A minus B, R. Now it's 2A minus B, right? 2A minus B because he mentioned 2A minus B is greater than 0. So that's using that one, don't forget. And here is 2A plus B. Then the answer is should be up divided by R. Should be here 2A plus B and divided by 2A minus B. Right? So how we verify? There's another verify skill. If the A and B is same, if A and B same, it will be 60, then will be, you can verify this one should be something. If you have time, you can specify times A and B. You can be looking for some special thing, special angle, yeah, special angle. Then you can decide like A. Let's say A equal to B. What happened, right? Yeah. So, but doesn't matter. This one should be okay, right? This is one way. If you don't solve this one, let's go straightforward thinking that kind of question. Okay, straightforward thinking this kind of question. So it should be. This is very good, right? So you saw that shape, you directly go here, then you find this one. So, right? So this to here, this is very important. Why? If you solve that equation, that means you can get that equation, R divided by R. So this is the basically, so you because this is 1 degree, one right, each time 1 degree, R always can represent with small r. That was okay, it's good. Okay, if you go straightforward, what do we think here? If we go straightforward, how you see, so still the same thing in the beginning, we do the same, exactly same thing. This is all necessary here, right? This is absolutely, right? So in the beginning, if we just thinking about R, we get rid of R is 1, right? So the question is R equal to how many A and B? And the small r equal to how many A and B? Then divide by, then what happens? This is much complex, but it's still doable, right? Yeah. So we remember this R is what, right? How are we painting the R? How are you painting the R? We remember that shape, right? This. So So this angle, so if we use alpha here, so we know this R, this is a right angle, this should be this one, x to the center here, this sine, right? So this one sine, or let's say xb equal to h we know already, a, b, something, h equal to something, right? But we don't use it for right now, so h equal to a square minus half b square. Yeah, minus half b square, right? So h equal to that. We don't use h for, we don't do this use for now, we use h for now. So this r should be equal to, this is h, right? This is h minus r. Yeah, h minus r and the times sine alpha. Sine alpha we know, sine alpha equal to, this one we don't need an issue, we can do like a, no, sine alpha, a bottom, again, one half b, right? Sine alpha is a half b, yeah, a, right? The sine h is h divided by r, right? So now we can find that h equal to what? R equal to what, right? R equal to what? So put 2b here, so 2ar equal to hb minus hr, right? It's too difficult for me, so 2, this mouse is not that good. Plus h plus r, yeah, we're equal to hb, right? Now we say r, we got it. R will equal to 2 a plus h, right? Yeah, so here we got it. R is what, right? Now we go small r. Small r is what? Small r will be h minus 2r minus 2r, right? This is 2r and minus r, right? This one times sine. Sine, same thing, equal to a will be b divided by 2. Same thing, right? Same logic here. So this is how we're painting here, right? Yeah, how we're painting here. So, and this is complex, 2ar will equal to bh again minus 2 br minus br, right? So we get it here is we got to merge this r 2a yeah, let's review here. Here's wrong, so here is wrong, so we just here supposed to be this b, right? So b, this is br, right? B times h, b times br. So once a br here, so this is supposed to be 2a plus b, right? Plus b, 2a plus b, yeah, it is 2a plus b. We modify b here, yeah, because I saw here, because I write down here, right? So everything will be b, so 2a plus b here. Oh, 2a plus b here. Hey, we're equal to what? This is merged to here, and it will be equal to that b, yeah, b h, oh again, hb 2 b r, right? Now this one is the end. So here we say if we divide by this one or do something, if we like, we can easily here, right? So we have the HB, so we put here like, yeah, we just call it here, right? Yeah, we see here, right? Merge here to use this one. Then we can just cancel that guy, and you find it. This is so you can easily solve from here, because the HB is you don't need a HB, right? So if you're smart, so like if you also can, yeah. Anyway, this just turn into a very simple like equation. So here, this equation here, right? Equation. You solve R. You can directly solve R and do it divide by. You got the same answer. Or here, you can just add up. So you can just minus this one. You will also can solve this problem, right? Solve the equation. So basically, turn this solve the equation. So here, this one. Remember here and here, you can cancel, and you can find what's going on here, and you can solve R equal to what? R equal to something, right? Then you can divide by. So this is another straightforward thinking. So if we don't have this beautiful thinking here, this is very smart. So this one very fast. Go here. We can go straight forward. See how you paint, right? So basically the idea is, so here we just don't use first. Put it there. Do not necessarily put it in here, right? In the end, if we still have this one, we're using that. If not, cancel out. Then maybe you don't use that, right? So here we have to paint, because you see here paint this one, this is R, right? This triangle, for this length, sine here will be R, and then this length is what? Is H minus R. So you got it, one equation, two equation. Once you got two equation, you solve this one, right? So you avoiding H, or doesn't matter, because eventually the answer will be same, right? If the answer is simplified like this, whatever you did here, you also reach here. Okay, so this is straightforward thinking. I think a much straightforward thinking is suited for everybody. The other one, you also need a very skill. I think both. When training a lot, you will get